Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself working in Figma and wondered how to change the page size for your design, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through step by step how to easily adjust your frame, or what you might call your page, to the perfect size for whatever project you're working on. Whether you're setting up a social media post, a website mockup, or even a custom poster, you'll know exactly how to get your canvas looking just right by the end of this quick tutorial. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to either create a new frame or select an existing one. Frames are basically Figma's way of letting you define a page or a workspace within your project. Think of them like pieces of paper where you design your content. The easiest way to make a new frame is to press the F key on your keyboard. This brings up the frame tool instantly. Now you can either click and drag to set your own custom size right away, or simply click once on the canvas to create a default frame which you can tweak later. It's really flexible. Once your frame is created, this is where you can control exactly how big your workspace or page is going to be. When you have the frame selected, its outline will show up, and you'll notice little blue handles on each corner and side. This is your sign that you're ready to make adjustments. Now take a moment and think about what you're designing for. Are you aiming for a standard A4 page, an Instagram post, or maybe a custom size? The cool thing is, you're not limited. You can dial in whatever fits your project best. Let's say you're looking for a standard size and don't want to guess the right dimensions. It's super easy. With your frame still highlighted, look over to the right-hand side of the Figma interface. There, you'll see a list of default frame sizes under the Design panel. These include options for common device screens, paper sizes, and more. Simply click on the size you need, maybe it's iPhone 14 desktop or A4, and Figma will instantly set your frame to those exact dimensions, saving you loads of time and keeping your design pixel perfect. But what if you want a really specific dimension, or you like working more hands-on? No problem. One option is to use your mouse. Hover over any corner or side handle, click and drag it to resize the frame visually. As you move the handles, you'll see the width and height numbers updating in real time. This is great for quick, rough adjustments or when you're working by eye. If you need everything to stay proportional, you can also hold down the Shift key to keep the width and height locked together, which is handy for things like maintaining the aspect ratio of a photo frame. Or for absolute precision, check out the W, width, and H, height fields in the right-hand design panel. Here you can type in the exact pixel dimensions you want, say 1200 by 628 pixels for a Facebook ad banner. Enter your numbers, hit enter, and boom, your frame snaps to that size. If you want to scale everything inside the frame along with its size, you can always use Figma's scale tool by selecting the frame and pressing K. This will resize not just the frame, but all the content inside as well, which is great if you're preparing assets for different platforms or devices. And that's really it. Changing the page size in Figma is all about flexibility, whether you prefer dragging things manually or typing in precise dimensions. Don't worry if it feels a little new at first. Take your time poking around the different settings, and you'll find the method that fits your workflow best. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions about Figma or design in general, drop them in the comments. I love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials just like this one. See you next time, and happy designing.